He is itty bitty, dude. That is pretty as hell. Look at that.
Yeah.
Damn it, he's moving too quick. Dude, he almost looks like a... That's a bug, bro. No, that's a hummingbird. He's imitating the look of a bug, ain't it?
Yeah.
Once he sees us, he'll probably bounce. No, that's a bug, bro. I think that's a bug, G.
It's a hummingbird.
Does it got that nose? It looks like a bug head, bro.
It's a bug head, yeah. That's weird.
I ain't never seen one of those, bro. It's imitating the look of a...
Yeah.
Holy shit.
That's crazy.
What is that thing called? I ain't never even... That's why it's so little.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like a hummingbug looking fucker, dude. Look at its